Imagine there was an easy button you could press that would magically create a successful trading path for you. That's the holy grail a lot of traders are searching for. And while there isn't a magic button, there is a well-trodden path you can follow to make your journey a whole lot easier.
Just imagine how much simpler trading would be if you had lots of tested insights at your beck, not just once a week, but every single day of the week, giving you hands-on help when you need it most. You'd never waste time wondering what to do next, or struggling to figure things out for yourself at the beginning.
Imagine waking up every morning with clarity, confidence, and a step-by-step plan laid out for you by an automatic AI system, which are all secretly plotting your success, guiding you from where you are to where you want to be.
And beyond these insights, you'd have an entire trading system with all features you need, giving you limitless possibilities and giving you the confidence you need to take action. For small accounts willing to set and achieve profitability goals, or to exclusive algos and tools where you can launch a business, make new types of income, and pick up the latest and greatest strategies from the world's best algos. Just imagine everything you need to make money as a trader, all in one place. There might not be that easy button, but this is the next best thing. TranslateStocks.com is your one-stop shop trading platform. Start now for free.